Kaya nandito po ang ilang tips mula sa isang babaeng instructor. Mula po ito sa Krav Maga Philippines kung paano nyo pwedeng madepensahan ang sarili ninyo. Watch this.
Hi, I'm Regina Ongshako. Today with me is Ricky Ganashas. We're both from Krav Maga Philippines, and today we're going to be showing you the dangerous situations tackled by women on their daily commute. We're also going to be showing you how to counter that with the proper techniques. We're going to be tackling will be on the ground, so it's a choke in between the legs on the ground. It's mostly experienced for women in rape scenarios. So the attacker will be coming from here in between the legs and he will be delivering a choke. First thing you need to do is to keep your hand in a hook position. You're going to hook one arm down and at the same time pushing to the attacker's throat with the other hand. So it's somewhat choking him and making space. Next thing you need to do is you need to shift one leg over the attacker like a seat belt. Your shin acts as a barrier. Why? If the attacker goes on top, his weight will be carried and supported by your leg. Next thing you need to do, this is open, my foot is here, so I'm going to be giving one kick to the ribs, maybe another kick for distance, and escape.
Sana magawa. Huwag lang maunahan ng nervyos. Ganun lang naman talaga yan, di ba? Una-unahan lang yan. At least meron kayong alam kahit papano. Konti. Mga babae, ingat-ingat. Tsaka kung pwede, huwag kayong lumalabas ng gabi kasi nang wala naman kayong mahalagang bagay na pupuntahan. O kaya pag nandun kayo sa mga lugar na alam nyo ng medyo delikado, wag na kayo dun magtatatambay. Alam nyo nang walang ilaw, walang mga tao masyado. Doon kayo lagi sa maraming tao. Wag doon sa maraming snatcher. Yung maraming tao na pwedeng makapagbugaw ng mga ganyang klase na masasamang loob at mga kawatan.